Very good morning, students. I Vijay Dubey is here to teach you economics for class 10th. Today we are going to start our economics subject. Before starting this chapter, I am going to discuss what is economics. So, students, the economics word can be derived from Greek word that is oikonomia. Economics itself is made up of two words, economic plus science. The meaning of economic is wealth, and science, all we know that what is the science. It is the things which we can proceed for our further future. Science is a thing which makes everything easier. Now let us discuss the definitions of economics. First definition of economics is conceptual basis. So economics is considered as a science which deals with the wealth, welfare, growth as well as scarcity of resources. Next definition, that is your subjective point. Economics is a social science which deals with the study of human behavior in the society, how they deal with the process of production, consumption, exchange, and distribution of goods and services with the given resources. So, I think it is very clear to you all the definition of economics. Now, we are going to start our chapters. In economics, students, there are four chapters which we have to study this year. The first chapter of our course is development. So, first of all, I want to tell you what is development. Student, development refers to increase in per capita income of the nation and decrease in inequalities, poverty, illiteracy, and diseases. In other words, it refers to economic development and rises in the standard of living of people of particular country. So development itself defines that how a country is going at the path of improvement and success. So students, there are some points such as per capita income. So per capita income is related to income of per person in a country. It is also known as average income of a person. So our next topic is what development promises. To understand what development promises, it is very important for us to discuss the development goals of different categories of persons. It means what different persons have different goals and what they accept for the goals of their development. So students, first we will discuss about the landless rural laborers. For landless rural laborers, more days of work and better wages are their development. They also need some social discrimination should not be followed for them. But for a prosperous farmers, they need assured high income with the high support price for their crops, and they also need cheap laborers so that their costing is to be cut off. Now we will discuss it from two more examples. For a girl child, Every girl child wants that she must get as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She needs freedom and she also needs that nobody can interfere in their goal. Next one is a boy. Boy always wants more freedom what they have already, and they need study to be get it from worldwide. So from the above it is clear that every people have different development goals, and the one who thinks is development for him may be different for others. In other words, we can say that development is different for different people, and that one who thinks is development for him may be destructive for the others. So students, now this is very clear for you that what is development and how development is different for others. So today's our topic is this much. Please study it and make a note of the following topics. Thank you. Have a nice day.